Does your laptop battery drain faster than you like, or does it feel like it just doesn't last as long as it used to? Well, you are not alone in this. In this video, I'll reveal simple yet powerful tricks to extend your laptop's battery life and keep it performing like new. Hi, and today we'll be diving into some game-changing battery optimization tips that many people overlook. These strategies are easy to implement, cost you nothing, and will make a world of difference in your laptop's experience. Let's get started. 1. Know your laptop battery's health. First, it's important to know where your battery stands. Most laptops provide battery health details under settings or through tools like battery reports on Windows or systems information on macOS. Step 1. On Windows, open the command prompt, type power cog battery report. Press enter. It has been rated and sent to this link. Go here. There is a report. So here is the battery report. On Mac, hold the option key and click on your battery icon. These tools gives you insights like the original capacity versus current capacity. This helps you understand if your battery needs replacement or just better care. 2. Adjust your power settings. Optimizing your laptop's power settings is crucial. Switch to power saving mode or tweak the settings manually. Or you can go to control panel, go to system and security, click on power options, create a power plan. If you don't have power saver selected, click on it, power saver, next, create, and you select power saver. On Mac, navigate to system settings, click on your battery and click on enable low power mode. Also dim your screen brightness and disable keyboard backlighting unless absolutely necessary. These small tweaks can save a ton of energy. Number 3, manage your background apps. Apps running in the background can drain your battery. Check your system's task manager or activity monitor to close unnecessary app. On Windows, you press Ctrl Shift Escape. Here you can see your apps that are using and consuming battery. You can turn on or end tasks. On Mac, you can use Command Space to search for activity monitor. Focus on shutting down heavy power apps you are not currently using. 4. Charge smartly. Do you know overcharging your laptop can reduce battery lifespan? Follow these tips to charge smartly. 1. Avoid letting your battery drop below 20%. 2. Unplug it once it hits 80 to 90% to avoid unnecessary stress. Use the charger that came with your laptop for optimal performance. 5. Keep your software updated. Software updates often include power optimization fixes. Also keep your operating system and drivers updated. 6. Maintain your laptop physically. Proper maintenance extends battery life. 2. Keep your laptop cool by cleaning vents and using it on flat surfaces. Overheating is one of the biggest culprits behind battery degradation. 7. When to replace your battery. If your battery health is below 50% or your laptop can't hold a charge for more than an hour, it might be time to replace it. Consider genuine batteries from your laptop's manufacturer for the best results. And there you have it, practical everyday tips to optimize your laptop's battery. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to KinspireTech for more tech tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.